In case you are the breadwinner of your family, if now you get money for your family, help your people, help your brothers, call them, ask them what they want, one after the other. Assist them, because that will help you at the end. When now only you they control money for your family, you never get money. So assist others to get money like you, so that expenditures will be less on your head. Now so I talk about. Do am, it will help you and your family. Guess what? You can do it.